In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the iPhone speaker. So there is a couple of things that we can try here. So step number one will be to head to settings. Once we do this, you need to scroll down on your settings page until we see the option for sound and haptics. Once we select this, as you can see, mine is currently in silent mode. So we can try and take it out of silent mode first of all. And if this doesn't work, we can go down to ringtones and alerts, and you can turn this up to absolute maximum. As you can see, this is the maximum ringer that we can have, which will then tell us that our speaker is currently working. Now, what you can do is you can also go down, and once we go down, if we see reduce loud sounds here, if this is enabled, what we can do is we can turn this off. And what we can also check is if we scroll down from the top right hand corner, you can check that you are not actually connected to any headphones or Bluetooth devices. If you're connected to headphones, you will see a headphone symbol right here on the sound symbol right here. So there are the things that we can check, and this is how we can fix our speaker not working on our iPhone.